So you want to become a cabin crew? Let's talk about the little details that can make a big difference on your assessment day. First things first, your CV. This is your ticket to even being considered. Now, I've already done a full video on how to create a CV that will get you shortlisted, so definitely check that out. And if you ever feel stuck, you can always reach out to me for guidance on creating a professional CV that actually works. On the assessment day, please keep your CV one page, simple and very direct. Do not omit crucial information. Here's the truth. Around 90% of people get shortlisted, and about 10% don't. Of course, it varies depending on the recruitment drive, but my chances are usually high. Why? Because I make sure my CV is polished, professional, and tailored specifically for cabin crew. That's something you can absolutely do too, with the right preparation. In this video we will be talking about the female applicants. I am currently working on a video for the male applicants. I will upload it when ready. So, make sure to hit the notification bell, so you will be the first one to be notified once the video is ready. Now let's talk about appearance, it matters a lot. For female applicants, here's what works best. Wear skin-tone stockings with closed shoes. Avoid open toes or flashy designs. Style your hair in a sleek low bun. Clean, professional, and tidy is the goal. I know you may have seen other candidates with funny hairstyles progressing to the next stage, but the main reason is they must have really impressed the recruiter, and so the recruiter may overlook their appearance. It is a rare case, and actually, if you are lucky, for the final interview, the recruiter will tell you to come dressed in business attire, and even give you a guide of what to wear. And you never know if the recruiter will overlook your dress code. You could be the unlucky one, so please, always dress to impress. Follow the dress code exactly as the email you receive from them. Now let's talk about makeup. This is the day to bring your best look. Do your makeup perfectly, but keep it classic and simple. This is the day to wear the best makeup you have ever done. Remember, the recruiters aren't just looking at your skills, they're looking at your professionalism, your attention to detail, and the effort you put into presenting yourself. Make sure to wear foundation, mascara, blush, eyeliner, and of course, a timeless red lipstick. Please note that for each airline there are different few color shades that are acceptable, and others are not. I am currently working on a video on the lipstick color shades that are acceptable for both the Qatar cabin crew and the applicants, but I think it will be easier if I share the photographs on the color shades acceptable for each airline, so make sure to join our Telegram or WhatsApp channel. I will share the links to join in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Okay, now let's talk about jewelry. Please stick to simple stud earrings, no big hoops or dangly designs. Skip necklaces completely. They're not needed. A simple classic watch is perfect. Please, no smartwatches. For the rings, I don't really recommend them, but if you must wear one, keep it very minimal. Only on your ring finger or middle finger. Don't forget the practical side. Make sure your phone is fully charged and carry a power bank. You'll most likely do the English test on your phone or upload documents online, so being prepared saves you a lot of stress. And guys, that's pretty much it for this video, but your dream job is closer than you think. All it takes is preparation and confidence. Do not give up until you are proud of yourself.